Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to use Zoom application on mobile phone. Basically, to start, you have to open your Zoom application on your mobile phone. If you don't yet have, just download it on your Play Store or App Store. Now let's open our Zoom here. And as you can see, there are four icons here at the top of the screen. So I'm just going to introduce these four icons here. The first icon we have is the new meeting. In this icon, guys, this is where we can conduct a meeting with our target participants. For example, you are a teacher. If you are going to conduct a meeting or a class to your students through Zoom application or Zoom meeting, then you may click this new meeting. So I will going to discuss it with you later. Now, next is the join. If you are going to participate a meeting, guys, then you can click the second icon. And of course, just click here or paste here the link that was given to you. Next, for the third icon we have is the schedule. Now, if you are going to conduct a meeting, guys, and if you want to schedule it, you can put the meeting name of here at the upper part. Next is the date. You can set the date and also the time. Next, the last icon we have is the share screen. In this icon, you have the chance here to share your screen to your participants. Alright? Now, let's explore this first icon. So when we're going to start or conduct a meeting through Zoom application, just click this Start a Meeting. Alright? So as you can see, this is the background of our Zoom. Let's say, for example, like this one, you will going to view yourself here. Now, if you want to not be seen by your participants, just click this stop video and your profile picture will be showed to them. Right? Next we have is the audio. Now, if you want to be heard by your participants, just click this, just let it be. But if you don't want to be heard by your participants, just click this mute. Okay, you can mute and unmute this icon. Now, here, you can see how many participants do you have. And also, in this fourth icon, you can chat, or even the participants here can chat here. Next is the reactions. Of course, the reactions is their emojis like this one. They can raise their hand or thumbs up and so on. Now, for the share screen, of course, you can share your Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft SharePoint, Google Drive, Box, Photo, Document, Web URL, and etc. So there's a lot of things you can share to your participants. And of course, the whiteboard. And as you can see, there is a menu bar here. This is where you can check or see your security, meeting settings, background effects, and disconnect audio. Now, here in the background and effects, guys, you can you can change your background here. Also, you can put a picture you want from your browser, or if you want to. Let's say, for example, this one. I want this background, so I can change it. Alright? So also, this is the video filters that we may use. Okay, so there are different filters. And of course, the avatars. If you want to be look as in avatar, like this one, alright? So, you can choose what avatar you want to be seen by your participants. And there you go. If you want to end your meeting, guys. So just click this red here and click and meeting for all. And that's it. There you go. This is on how to use Zoom application on mobile phone. So if you want to know on how to use Zoom application on your mobile phone, that's the easiest way I know. If you know another way on how to use Zoom application on mobile phone, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe. Bye!